channel and hit the like button. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Hello friends. Today I am going to tell you how we can grow carrot tops at our home without soil. Let's see how we will do it and what we will need. We will need a container, glass container or plastic container, and you have to cut the carrot tops. The carrot tops shall be fresh. Then put water in the container, and then you have to put the carrot tops in it. The carrot tops should be fresh and it should be like this, and replace the water every day. This I had put 2 days back. Now we will see the next day. This is the 3rd day of my carrot plant. Now I have to replace the water. It is very pleasant to see them grow. This is the 4th day of my carrot plant. Today is the 5th day of my carrot plant. Now the roots are also sprouting. Let's change the water.